Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are visiting this channel for the first time, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to smash the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video you will get notified as soon as possible. I also have a Telegram channel, so the link is right inside the description box below. So if you're not part of my Telegram channel yet, just click the description below and then click on the link in there, and then you become part of the Flax Forex Telegram community. You can also follow me on all social media handles, especially on Instagram. You can find me Flax Forex, or I am Andrew at Instagram. Yeah, so it's a new week again. All right, yes, no matter how the previous week went, you always have to prepare yourself for a new week. Yeah, the month of June has been very rough. Yes, the month of June has been very rough for me, and it's normal. All right, yes, it's normal, because I mean, you wouldn't always get it smooth as a trader if you don't accept that this fact. You're never going to progress. Yeah, so it is what it is. Yeah, so let's go ahead and then prepare ourselves for the new week and see what the new week has for us. Yeah, so last week with the dollar index, I wanted to see price bounce off the zone, but it didn't happen that way. All right, it didn't happen that way. We're currently seeing price violate this. All right, price is stuck between this range high and this range low. All right, so I'm going to see how price is going to react. So going to this week, I can't really tell you the exact direction of the dollar index. All right, Monday's price action is going to tell, but this week there's a lot of high impact news. All right, if you are not aware, the FOMC is this week. You have an FOMC coming up this week, and so I'm hoping to see the FOMC making a move to indicate as to where the dollar index will be moving to. So the dollar index, I'll be very reluctant. So far the dollar index is concerned, I'll just wait and then see how price goes Monday, Tuesday. All right, yeah, because the FOMC is on Wednesday, so I'll look at how price is going to react on the dollar index Monday and then Tuesday. So going into this week, I'll be very reluctant. I'll sit back and look at how the market is going to react. I'm not going to be, I won't rush in taking any trades this week. All right, yes, I'll just sit back because of the FOMC ahead. I'll just sit back and see how the FOMC is going to react, because right after the FOMC there are going to be a lot of trading opportunities on the market. So I'll sit until Wednesday after the FOMC. That is where my week is going to begin. Yes, that is where my week is going to begin. After the FOMC we have Thursday and Friday, and I mean, it's enough for me to be able to bag some pips on the market. Yes, I don't need all the 5 days to get some pips on the market. My Thursday, Friday will be so much enough for me. So I'm going to sit back and wait for the FOMC and see how price is going to react. So that is just that for the dollar index. Let's look at what is happening on GBP JPY. Let's look at what is happening on GBP JPY. All right. So for GBP JPY, this high has been cleared. Just as I made you aware last week, this high has been cleared. I wanted to enter for a buy opportunity, but it didn't give me that opportunity to enter. Yes, let's switch to the 4-hour and see. I really wanted to enter for a buy because I predicted a buy opportunity, but the move happened. But so far as entry is concerned, it didn't really give me the entry on the higher time frame trend. I wanted to see price at least move a little bit into the zone, but look what happened. It just moved here and then we saw price shoot up. All right, and even at the time price moved here, I wasn't even behind my chart. I just came and I realized that price has already taken off. So going into this week, I would wait because there has been a creation of a fair value gap here. All right, if those of you that have the eyes to see, all right, those of you that have the eyes to see, you can see that there is an imbalance here. All right, there has been a break in the market structure and an imbalance here. So going into this week. I'll wait to see our price going to fill this imbalance, and I'll expect a continuation to the downside, if not for anything at all, back to this area. All right, yes, so that is going to be about 457 pips. Let's see how the market goes. All right, yes, if it gives me the opportunity, then I would aggressively go into the market, take some sell opportunities to this zone. Yeah, so going into next week, that is my plan on GBP JPY. Let's look at what is happening on AUDUSD. All right, so for AUDUSD, I'll be expecting to see price move to the upside. Yeah, I'll be expecting to see price push to the upside, provided this order block we are seeing here is not violated. Yes, provided this order block we are seeing here is not violated. So going into next week, going into this week, I would be very observant to see how price will react within this order block we are seeing here. Yeah, within this order block we are seeing here. If price respects this order block, then definitely you are going to see price push to the upside. If it violates it, then definitely this low is going to be attacked. But I don't expect to see this other block being violated. Yeah, so that is my expectation on AUDUSD. Let's go to the lower time frame for us to see what is going on there. Okay, so I'll wait to see how price is going to react within this area, and then I expect to see price bounce off and then push to the upside, because we've seen numerous breaking market structures. Yes, so going into this week, I'll expect to see some form of bullishness set in on AUDUSD. Let's look at what is happening on NZDUSD. Let's look at what is happening on NZDUSD. Yeah, so for NZDUSD too, same plan. All right, for NZDUSD, same plan. What I will be expecting to see on NZDUSD, or my points of focus, is going to be on this bearish candle we are seeing here. Yeah, my point of focus is going to be on this bearish candle we are seeing here. Yeah, so definitely price will attack this liquidity here, then I'll see how price is going to react within this candle. I'm bullish also on NZDUSD. I'm bullish. All right, yes, so that is that for NZDUSD. Let's look at what is happening on NZDJPY. Let's look at what is happening on NZDJPY. Yeah, so for NZDJPY, let's move to the daily time frame and then see what is happening in daily time frame. The daily time frame will give us a clearer indication as to where market is moving. Yes, so look at what has happening on the daily time frame. Price bounced off this other block we are seeing here. It broke structure. It broke the downside structure. You saw price coming back to this other block we are seeing here, and then have series of imbalances in here and into this zone. So going into this week, I would expect to see price continue to push to the zone, and then we see price continue to go wherever it wants to go to. But at the moment, this will be my target going into next week. Let's move lower and see if we can get some areas of entry. Okay, so price will likely push back into the zone. All right, yes, so I will be expecting to see price push back. Once it push back to the zone, then I will take some sell opportunities or take some sell trades to this area. Yeah, to this area. So going into this week, I'll be looking for selling opportunities on NZD JPY. So that is that for NZDJPY. Let's look at what is happening on AUDJPY. So NZDJPY, AUDJPY, same plan. Yeah, NZDJPY, AUDJPY, same plan, because they move in the same direction. So if I'm expecting to see, if I'm expecting some bearishness on NZDJPY, I should expect to see some bearishness also on AUDJPY, and we are seeing the same price action just as we saw on NZDJPY. So going into this week, I want to see price push back to the zone. And then later on you see price continue moving to the downside to attack this liquidity we are seeing here. All right, yes, to attack this liquidity we are seeing here, to fill these imbalances, then this liquidity will be attacked. So going into this week, I'm also bearish on AUDJPY. Let's look at what is happening on EURJPY. Yeah, so for EURJPY, GBPJPY, EURJPY, same plan. Yes, I would want to see price push up to those other block we are seeing here. If not this zone, then this zone. All right, because with this zone, I wouldn't be so much confident taking a trade here because there is liquidity resting above here. All right, the high is too clean. It's so clean for me, and once it's clean like that, there is always liquidity resting above that place. So I'll prefer taking sales here rather than here, but I'll see how price is going to react. Definitely I'll sell down to lower time frame and see what is happening. So going into this week, I always prefer to see a retracement back to the zone, and then you see a push to the downside to this area. So that is my expectation on EURJPY. Let's look at what has happened on GBPUSD. For GBPUSD to last week, I predicted, I was expecting to see price move to the upside, but it didn't happen for us. Yes, it didn't happen. Just as the directional bias of the dollar index didn't go our way, the same thing on GBPUSD. So going into this week, I will be reluctant on GBPUSD. At least Monday, Tuesday, I would see where price is heading to, and then I'll take action on Wednesday after the FOMC. Yes, so I'll be reluctant on GBPUSD. All right, let's look at what is happening on EURUSD. Let's look at what is happening on EURUSD. Yeah, first of all, EURUSD to same. For EURUSD to same. Most of the dollar pairs, I wouldn't be so much aggressive on them going into this week. That is Monday, Tuesday, until the FOMC news is being released. I wouldn't. But for EURUSD, look at what is happening on daily time frame. All right, price is currently stuck inside an order block. So I'm going to observe to see if price will violate this order block or is going to respect it. If it respects this order block, then definitely this high will be the next draw on liquidity. All right, the next draw on liquidity is going to be this high. So definitely I'm going to expect to see price push to the zone right after that. So that is my expectation on EURUSD going into this week. All right, so that is just that going into this week. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell. There is a lot of goodies coming. Right, because this is my second year in trading, I just want to keep the pace and then be bringing you the weekly forecast as I've started doing. All right, the time will come, I'm going to blend educational content and all that. So if you are not part of this channel, just hit on the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, check the description box below. My Telegram link or the link to my Telegram community is in there. Just hit on it and then become part of the Flax Forex Telegram community. I wish you all good luck and good trade going into this week. There's a lot of high impact news this week, so be very, very careful when you are trading. I'll come your way again another time. Bye.